An Aerialist hand care bag. Okay, this is a bag that you should carry with you when you perform or when you're training consistently. So this consists of anything that has to do with taking care of your hands if they rip, and helping them to not rip. So you've got some ointment, you've got some waterproof tape. You can also carry these scissors here that will help cut your skin if you rip. They'll also help you cut the tape. Different bandages here. So you've got, I have large bandages and ace bandages here. Tissue. You never know if you're going to need any tissue. So one thing is a Callus Shaver, something that is kind of difficult to find, but this is a must-have tool. So this is something that you should do consistently, and this is shaving your callus. All right, let's take a look here, and you can see the blade. It is detachable, so you can replace the blade. So you want to get at the edge of your callus, and then you're just gonna kind of shave it, and the blade will do the work for you. All you need to do is find the edge of the callus and shave it. Now, I've never had the Callus Shaver shave my normal skin, so don't be afraid of it. It seems kind of weird, but don't be afraid of it. So your goal here is to get the callus smooth and flat to your skin. This way you avoid ripping your palm. And in order to get it kind of flat and smooth, sometimes you just need to kind of work around the edges a little bit to get them smooth and flat. So coming over to the other hand here, same thing, just find the edge of the callus and you can just kind of shave it. Make sure you throw that in the trash because that's disgusting. You don't want to leave those that skin laying around. And just find the edges and just kind of clean them up. Just to FYI, after taking off this callus, it will be kind of pink underneath, and that's totally normal, totally fine. And I'll leave a link in the description of where you can find some of these Callus shavers. Alright guys, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe and like to our channel. And if you haven't followed us on Instagram yet, it is at flying.fitnesstx. And let us know how your calloused are. I'd like to know if you have a hard time keeping them under control, or if you rip your hands often. I'd like to know what's going on with your hands. So let me know in the comments, and I will check you later.